Hey there at TDI Refrigeration. My name is Don Cunningham, and in this video, I wanted to go over some things that you might be able to use to help increase and improve your visibility online. And there are three areas that I wanted to go over, and that is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, I have your website up here, and it's a good-looking website. But one of the important things about the content is you need word content, and because when Google is ranking a site, it's reading the words on the site. So I did an overview of your site, and you have a total of 416 words on your homepage. Now, it has been found that for Google to optimize a website, you need to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And also included in those content, you want keywords that are going to be used in searches that's going to cause your site to be found. Okay, this is one of your top competitors, American Cool and Home Air. Um, Now their site did come up on the first page of a Google search. Now they have just a little bit over 1,000 words of content on their homepage. So that in itself will cause them to rank higher than you. Okay, the second thing I wanted to talk about is the citations. Now, citation is your business name, address, and telephone number, also known as a NAP. So if I click on here, the business profile comes up, and in the profile, we see their name, and scroll down here, you see their address and the phone number down here. Okay, now I have here, this is the result of a Google search, and over here is um, your organic listing, and then on this side over here, the, this side over here is the map section, is what we call the map pack. And on these little dots here, they show these represent the names or the business profiles of the various businesses that are found over here in the organic listing. Now, the important thing about the NAP is you want your NAP listed in online directories. The directories such as these shown here, these are the top online directories, Yelp, Yahoo, Bing, and Better Business Bureau. These are some of the top directories. So the more directories you have your NAP listed in, this is what pushes you up in the map pack. There's a site that I use called Bright Local, and on that site we can see exactly what directories your competitor has their NAP listed in, and then we could match what they have. In addition to that, make sure that you get listed in even more directories. Okay, the third thing I wanted to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlink is when one website links to another website online. And what that does, it gives the site being linked to authority. It's like another business recommending your business. And the more recommendations you have, the more authority you have in Google ranking. Okay, now this is a tool that I use called Hrefs. It's a paid tool, but what it does, it gives me a background detail that Google uses when it's ranking websites. Okay, now I ran your competitor through this through Ahrefs, and it's showing here, showing they're being found for one organic keyword and 67 backlinks. Okay, now looking at the keywords that you've been keywords that they're being found for cool heating air conditioning. That's the one keyword that they're being found for. Okay, now we want to look at the backlinks. We're showing here 68 backlinks. Down here, this shows me the exact sites that are linking back to their site. So actually, what you could actually get these same sites to link back to your site, which would give your site more authority. And then, but in addition to that, we could get even more sites to link back to your site, giving you even more authority, which would cause your site to rank higher than your competitor. Okay, now this is your site in Ahrefs, and as we see here, there are no organic keywords that you're being found for, or you have no sites linking back to your site. So as I said before, we can get the same sites linking back to your competitor and add more. Okay, well, that's it in a nutshell. Again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page, but also included in that content, you want to have keywords that are going to be used in searches that is going to cause your site to be found. And then we went over citations. You want to have your NAP listed in more directories than your competitor, which is going to give you more relevance in Google. And then we went over backlinks. You want to have more backlinks than your competitor, which is going to give you more authority. And all these three things are things that are going to raise your Google ranking and cause you to rank higher than your competitor, which means you're going to show up first before them in a Google search. So I hope this information has been informative for you, and if you like what I've showed you, um, if you have any questions or need any clarifications, please give me a call. My number is 714 4730269. And these are all things that you could do yourself. However, if you want a quicker, more effective route, you can give me a call, as I say, Don Cunningham, 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching my video, and look forward to hearing from you soon. You have a great day.